Alright, we are in section N, lot 174. Coming up to the gravesite of one James D. Elderkin, born on December 16th of 1820 and dying on February 9th of 1908. James served in the Seminole War, the Mexican War, American Civil War, and was a member of the Detroit Light Guard. As a sergeant and color bearer during the Mexican War, he carried the first American flag in the Mexican territory on May 8th of 1846. So this is pretty much all the information I have, so that's it. Alright, we are in section N, lot 70, coming up to the gravesite of one Sylvester Higgins, or Sylvester William Higgins, born on March 24th of 1798 and dying on March 4th of 1866. Sylvester was a geologist who completed Michigan's first mineral survey in 1837. He was also an employee at Sutter's Mill during the California Gold Rush. Here's another interesting thing about him. Higgins Lake in northern Michigan is named after him. He also served as a major for the Texas Cavalry during the American Civil War and was commander of Fort Indianola in Texas during the Civil War, I believe. So that's pretty much all the information I have, and that's that.